Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
All right, the goal is to get in this clam right here. Good. You got it in that clam. Okay. All right. And bounce all the way down there. All right. There's a ball here. Oh! Bounced out into Neverland. That's not. No, Mama did. Oh, I hit the Jacob's wall.
You gotta dig closer.
Oh, here goes Dan. Oh, and she gets the mulligan. She hits the mulligan. How did that happen?
You get to try again, man.
Oh, it came out. It popped out. That was in. Uh-oh. Oh, where'd it go, Lise? There it is. Nan's away. There goes green.
Okay, the green is really sloped this way.
I got -2.
You only had one in your hair.
This is for 3.
I told you it goes that way. Oh!
It's hit it number 4.
All right, 4. Okay. All right, next. That's for 3.
Hey, come on, do it.
Nope.
Goes on 1.
Oh, I know it rolls right.
Now, Jake,
Okay,
if you put this in, you win the
for
hole.
Here. Aim for here.
Trying to trick me?
No, because it
Stop
rolls
telling
that
you
way.
what to do. He's already gonna win.
That's a 2. Nice black. Nice black.
Can we just pick up that and go?
We have to play. We gotta play. We're actually playing faster than normal. So, go ahead, Ma. There we go. Green, go on in. Yay, blue. Oh, denied blue.
6.
All right, Jacob wins that hole.